Have you been seeing all the Spanish products and wondering how well they work? So I bought some to try them out so you don't have to, and I'll give you my honest thoughts and give you a review. I've heard so many great things about this, so I want to try it out today. Following the instructions. First impressions, it's got a very strong scent, but as I'm cleaning the floors, it's actually leaving them look quite nice and shiny, so I'm liking that. As I'm continuing to mop, I also noticed that like I mentioned, it's leaving the floors looking nice and shiny. It doesn't leave any residue, so that looks really nice. I'm quite impressed so far with how well it's working, but then I've also noticed it doesn't have as many bubbles in the bucket, so I would have ideally thought it would be like full of bubbles. Just for me, it makes me know that it's clean. It's actually doing a really great job. But overall, I think it's got a very highly concentrated scent, so it's great for people with pets or smoking and stuff like that. If you've got really strong scents in your home and you want to mask them, I think this is great. Unfortunately for me, the scent is just too overpowering, and I have young children and I don't really like strong scents in the house. And I also prefer more cleaning power. I'm not saying it's not doing a good job, but I guess it's doing a good enough job, but I prefer more bubbles, more cleaning power, but that is my personal preference. And yeah, I hope you guys have found this video to be helpful. Look forward to more videos where I'm going to be reviewing more of the cleaning products. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.